So hello developers, today we will be learning about the React Native Lightbox. So this is our desired output of this video. So when we click on this Lightbox images, they will get enlarged, and after pressing close, it will get back to their initial size. So I took two images because we are going to use two different image source attributes. One is image from online URL and other is from local directory image. So let's get into it. Here is our basic React application with a simple text output. So let's run the app with the expo start. As you can see, we are getting the hello world text output from the app.js file. First, we have to import the dependencies from GitHub. So let's go to the GitHub repository and copy this command and paste it in our terminal. And let's run the application again. After this, we will import the component and libraries in our app. So we are going to use the scroll view here. And we don't need these CSS styles. For our title and images, we're going to use the view here. Now we'll align our text output. After that, we'll use the Lightbox here for the images. For the first image, we are going to use an online image URL. So let's copy this image URL and paste into the single quotes. Now to get back to the image to its initial size after pressing back, we have to use the resize mode attribute in the image component. Now let's assign the CSS style to the image, and we can also use the underlay color attribute for the Lightbox, which will give us the image flickering effect of given color after we click on it. Now let's create a CSS for image and change the title of the image. As you can see, the first image is working fine. Now in the second section, to use the image from local directory, we can reuse this part. So let's copy this and paste it. To choose from local file, we have to remove this URL part and use the required attribute. Now let's go to the location and choose this image and copy this path and paste it into the single quotes. We can remove the unnecessary part and replace the slash with the backslash. As you can see, both images are working fine. So thank you developers for watching this video, and see you in the next one.